Welcome back to our channel. Today we will guide you on how to find the GPU model in Windows 10. Knowing your GPU model can be useful for various reasons, such as updating drivers or troubleshooting graphics-related issues. Let's dive right into the steps. To begin, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, type System in the search bar. As you type, you will see search options appear. Select System Information from the list. Once the System Information window opens, click on the Components option. It is located in the left-hand menu. In the Components menu, you will find various categories. Look for and click on Display to access the GPU information. Now, on the right pane of the System Information window, you will find all the information you need. The GPU model will be listed to the right of Name. In this particular PC, it shows the internal Intel graphics card. If you have multiple graphics cards, they will be listed below. And there you have it. You have successfully found your GPU model in Windows 10. Knowing your GPU model is important for tasks such as updating drivers, benchmarking, or understanding the capabilities of your graphics card. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.